it is me, Tornado 70. Yesterday, I just made, or my teacher made this useful said we can vent anything because we're in this unit called Eureka, and today I'm going to Masson, so I better do this quick. It's in a couple minutes. I have to go. So here it is. I think it's called the outer. I know it's an ACA, and then I have a zero drone. And I'm actually trying to hook this up here. Trying to hook it up to here. This actually can spin with this. My friend named Aiden helped me. Yeah, and oh, you okay, Luna? And yeah, so after the Madison trip, I'm actually gonna make a tube and kind of make it turn up into here. And yeah, thanks for watching and bye.